All you need to know to steam milk in 1 minute. The preferred Goldilocks jug is 600 milliliters. A thermometer is also good to have. Fill the jug with milk to the bottom of the spout. And before you start, always purge the steam wand. Rest said steam wand in the spout at about a 45-degree angle and a couple of centimeters into the milk. Then full steam ahead. Now tilt the jug so the wand is about a third from either side, doesn't matter which. As you suck in air and create a swirling vortex, slowly move the jug downwards as the milk expands. Towards the end, you should no longer get the kissing sounds. As the jug gets too hot to touch, count to 3 and switch off the steam before you put the jug down with a tap or 2. Clean and purge the wand again. Temperature should be around 60 Celsius or 140 Fahrenheit with about a 10% margin of error. Finally, tap and swirl. The milk should be like wet paint and you are ready to pour.